In this video, we will find integral of sine of minus x. Let I be equal to integration of sine of minus x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometry identity sine of minus x is equal to minus sine of x. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So I is equal to minus integration of sine of x with respect to x, as the antiderivative of sine of x is minus cosine of x. So integral of sine of minus x is cosine of x plus capital C, as minus times minus is plus, then added capital C, which is arbitrary constant of indefinite integral. Do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indefinite integration. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.